finish up uyazi khambani like away
hayi
Wathini baba?
hayi namba sengumngani wenu all good Machida Vez, all good Vez. So it's really a great pleasure to have you guys Vez over here. It's like a salon for the power show episode. Image Vez, ngicela ukubuza. Yeah, well, before the we go, kude kakhulu Vethu. Manje Vethu sihle Vethu. Lo muntu Vethu khuluma ngaye Vethu la ukhuluma ngabo Vethu. Abantu Vethu obaziyo Vethu noma Vethu Vethu igaxe ngaka mngani wami.
Idilekile. Akutshela kusekumphathi wendaba lana.
Vethu.
Kodwa kahle hayi ngoba nakumuntu mhlawumbe engibaziyo noma abantu engibaziyo. Izinto Vethu ezenzala elokushini. Uyazi nawe Vethu angisiyabona. Yazi Vethu ukuthi elokushini kuhlezi kukhona iganda Vethu ezenzala. Ezinhle ezinhle.
I big off Machida Vez, Paniseno, it's so amazing. I'm a big fan of it. So my friends, so today we visited by Abangan Bethu Vethu. We see here we book it so eyes in just again Vethu. Nani yazazela again.
That's ajabula kakhulu mfethu ukuthi usibizile sibe kanye nawe la ngoba siyabona impela mfethu hayi kade waqala ke vele mfethu ukusendela la ekhaya mfethu jabula kakhulu
no mfethu izandla ziyagezana and mfethu uyakhumbula nawe mfethu Ketho nawe sihle besifunde emva kwendlu from ubhek period yabo mfethu and ngoba ngisho nami ukuthi I'm a big fan mfethu akuqali manje mfethu ukuthi abangani bethu as much as right now we're speaking about abangani bethu but the craft no bafethu it goes a long way.
Yes, it
goes a long way. So quick start bafethu abangani bethu is a group made out of 2 or 3 people. I just want you to fill me up on that.
No, abangani bethu igroup ehlanganiswa abantu abawu3 bawu3 kahle but then the third member yethu Unjabulo Ndlovu udecide ukuba behind yabo because umsebenzi wakhe vele udinga more behind then ke bese kuba ukhetho nosihle ke ama vocalist
sure
abantu bangathuki mfethu abantu yabo abantu benothuka mfethu mawuthi sebesibona sobathi bathawu bafethu kuyiphutha
boboni sesigabele
kanlutho mfethu yazi ingoma lengoma mfethu esiyenzayo ihlezi ezoba khona nayo ngoba thina sinalento ukuthi masenze ingoma yabo
sure
it doesn't matter ukuthi wena mfethu ozofika nayo noma ubani obhala kanjani thina nje mfethu iverse lilodwa sinishasa batha share mfethu kume into lezo lonto into enesource
no mfethu it shows mfethu because I mean ngiyayibuza mfethu because yazi into emnandi ayikho into mfethu powerful njenge consistency just to rap it mfethu ngikwenzeke on 1 week ngibone about 3 videos of ama skits like ngiyayibuka lento ukuthi hey la Machida Vez alokhe exinile so mawusho leyo nto ukuthi ama verses niyawahlanganyela it really shows and ngiyakufakazela lokho kusho
lokho ukubona ukubona like ama skit every week sa decide ukuthi yiphi indlela esingaba ngcono ukuthi senze ngayo because masibuka manje social media uwona powerful manje yabo awusadingi ukuze mhlawumbe uzuye goal ukuze uyokwazi ukufeza iphupho lakho yabo udinga nje social media so sa decide saba ne plan ukuthi kumele sithole something ezosenzela ukuthi sihlezi siphambi komehla abantu yabo so that's why uhlezi ubona ama skits like every week every week is a studio every week is a shoot
sure no mfethu kuyisimanga mfethu and I don't love it it's so inspirational and ngeke sesikhulume kakhulu ngo inspiration mfethu ayafethu hayi but ayasiphakela yahlekisa mfethu sikhwani yazi mfethu uke uqale usuku on a bad note yabo yona thola ukuthi ikhonto encane ekukhathazayo uyawazi umqondo unakho ukujulo phela kwizinto ezigcine ziphazamisa usuku lakho but mangabona ivideo abangani bethu it just changes the mood it gives you that energy to that excitement yabo mfethu because manje ngoba usho ukuthi la power social media akusabona abantu abaseduze kuphela abalangazelela umsebenzweni but abantu abakude
Wethu.
so initially you guys if I take it back nje mfethu from mfethu umuntu sayijunior ngempela yabo mfethu you were guys part of a group Endless Chapters production sure you are famously known for a movie Izizwe mfethu that I believe ukuthi mfethu that movie mfethu was advanced based on isikhathi sasiphila kusona we didn't know ukuthi mfethu kahle ku TV bayishutha kanjani kwakusana abantu abayitshena ukuthi khona abantu abadlala ku TV abakwishift but for you guys which year was it again Ketho
Go 2010 I think go 2010
2010
yeah we World Cup kwakubhizi mfethu yo yakhumbula nje ukuthi abantu babesibahamba bobu amabhola thina siyashutha yabo and the sad part abantu abangayazi ngale whatever le movie sasiwenza mfethu equipment sasithwalela thina dog bone
yonke
into sasithwalela whenever soshutha kwenye indawo sihamba ngeenyawo with the equipment esiphethe la uma ungekho on scene uyazi ukuthi ubamba light noma you doing something kodwa la ngemove yabo
ayengekho ama fans ukuthi kuthola abantu manje
sasingenabo abantu abazosiza like kuma sponsors and stuff
but so how did you guys get together and say like no mfethu so shoot movie
yo uGolf mfethu sahlangana noGolf khona before Endless Chapters khona enye ilokhuzana engihlezi ngiyibonga yayikhona la hotel yokuqala yavula la hotel yayi more like iEndless Chapters ayibizwa ngenyanda yobuciko that's where sahlangana khona sonke ke la esaqala khona nje kwazana noNjabulo osihle osiya yabo so from there ke sashaya acting sihamba ilokhuzana yethu nje abantu bokuqala abayazi lokhuzana yethu yokuqala ukuthi sasi actor workshop yabo
ilokhunje
isiqephu esingapheli sasibiza ngesiqephu
sure so lezo sikhathi kwakuyisikhathi kusakhona uAnkele
ngesikhathi uAnkele yabo besanda dropa
sure
so safikela lo idea because asivele senza i-theater kuyinyanda yobuciko so safikela idea ukuthi ake samse workshop sozama nathi
sure
sazama bahlangana imali sathenga icamera from the-camera sasithi soshutha wena amahlaya
sure
and then ngathi uGolf rivele wayevele nepassion yamafilimu wathi sinoba fethu ake sizameni ukwenza amafilimu
sure
njenga wonke umuntu osuke elokushini elincane njengothalo sasigayikhola leyo nto ukuthi ngenzeka siyashutha imovie lokushini yabo hayi wasisparisha uGolf ngale mali sasithole workshop so saqala ke sayishutha ke imovie
sure
yize ke ngicasa wangeyona yokuqala lo Izizwe sihle I'm correct sihle
kodwa izizwe wangazona ongayona imovie yokuqala ukuthi nje kwakuye iyona
esaba nenhlanhla
iyona movie eyenza kahle abantu baqala ba recognize ukuthi hayibo khona laba fest babenza kanje yabo lapho ke sinami lapho ke ngaqala khona ngabona ukuthi yabo man mangisala la ngempela kuleli bus izoba nenkinga ngempela ngoba ngikhumbula kahle ngihlezi ngicela ufana ukhona ngithi nami nje bethe imangase nje because ngangihlezi ngifuna ngangiba khona kumafilimu awashuthayo but into engangifisa kakhulu nami ukuthi ngithole mhlawumbe i-character mhlawumbe ezoba i-lead mhlawumbe somehow yabo
wazathola le character le
ongitholela sengitholela insimbi ngayo wathanda character nangenhlanhla ngempela wamakho CD wamenza ngambona hayi wase
kwenzeka
CD waphila abantu ngoba bemazi nje namhlanje
no but to great recognition to God mfethu and uhambo lwakhe seleze lambeka mfethu to the big screens mfethu yabona
deserve ukuba
so iningi indima ayidlalile mfethu from those times mfethu because into abantu abanga understand with like i-passion project into oyenza ungeke uyiholele yabona ukuthi it takes a lot to deliver your best yabona so mfethu ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-distribution yalama movie as much as mfethu yayikhona indlela but there was a lot of piracy copy or banning so affect kanjani leyo nto because mina ngikukhamba manga izizwe ngayibuka but angikhumbula ukuthi zayithi ngobani beyibona leyo nto
kanjani
sure
yabo ayipharethe yalimaza mfethu
yas affecta kakhulu mfethu angifuna uqamba manga iyona ngisho ukuthi Pirates yona into yasiqede umoya kahle yabo sagcina siphelela umoya because one thing engayibona nge-acting yayikulethela amehla abantu but awunandi ukuthi ephaketheni yabo somehow uzo attackwa homa depression and then ke nangaleza khathi awani ukuthi depression
sure
yabona ukuthi awukho right kodwa wazi ukuthi
akukho grade khona yabo ubhlungu ukuthi uyabona abantu bayajabulela and abantu mabekubona ku TV banele mentality ukuthi usu right yabo usuphumelele usunayo yonke into but then bakubona ushaya ngophaqotshekile and then bazokuthatha ngenye indlela
sure
so angifuni uqamba manga yas affecta kakhulu yabo asiqede umoya nje yayiqede into eyisisasinayo
okusho lento ibifana nje ukusebenzela omunye umuntu
yeah
thina siyasebenza sihamba silanga lonke silambe mfethu laphana yabo sibuye sikhipha umsebenzi abantu bawuthanda mase wena uyawuthatha uyahamba mfethu yokwenza imali ngawo yabo lo nto le
no bafethu but I think ukuthi indlela there's always Eric Thomas he says if it was easy everybody would do it
yeah.
So the hardships were to build your character to you guys ukuthi nize nifike kule level enidiyona having to release music ngalendlela leyo senwenza ngayo so mfethu I-creativity yomsebenzi wenu mfethu it's very deep yabo njengoba denisho ukuthi nawe siphila kwisikhathi so social media yeah mfethu siwabonile mfethu ama artists like or R. Kelly mfethu beshayo trapped in a closet whereby kuyingoma but yeah so what inspired you guys ukuthi yazini le ngoma lihlezi sicula but ayifiki la ifika khona asicule si-act man what inspired the skits concept
you're trapped in the closet mfethu
serious
yo
mfethu nikeni lezinto sure you're trapped in the closet
and then ngikhumbula kahle senza ingoma iskit sokuqala esasenza I think it was last year noma last year
last year
sasirecorda right sashuta isona mase kumele abe sashuta saphinde sadata sathaya ngathi isikhathi sikakafiki sanqena sagcina singaphumanga sayesahamba kuze kufike manje ngoba sesiqala sesisenza futhi abantu sesibona ukuthi bayayithanda
sure
and enye into esayidiscover ukuthi abantu bareacta kangcono uma bekubuka into uyenza ngalezo sikhathi yabo so that's why I decided ukuthi uma ukhipha ingoma bengakuboni yabo somehow kukhona khona lokho but akufani njengoba besuke bekubuka kwivideo ubuyenza lento oyiculayo
sure
sabona ukuthi hayi ngeke ngathi lazi yakhipha uma uzocula yabo uzokhipha ingoma ehamba nevideo yalento ilokhu ubuyichaza lento oyisho la engomeni engasikwenza sense kwabanye abantu yabo ne-reaction yabantu ifast
sure
phela manje uyabona ukuthi wena phone bese ukuthi manje usuku nje bethu alipheli umuntu abantu bengangenanga ku TikTok so yabo uTikTok unamandla kakhulu ngendlela engibona ngayo so yazi ukuthi clip nyane incane noma yini incane nje oyenzayo bese mase uyifake TikTok yabo so hamba uzobathola abantu mhlambe abo 100 abayibonayo bahamba ukuchecka ukuthi ithini ngawo uyisima kanjani yabo mawuthi banginganye uma ukuthi uyabathela njalo
nge-hard work futhi nabantu bayambona umuntu onehanga ukuthi labantu laba ngase khona abantu bazokuthandela ukuthi lo muntu ngathi ukhuthele yabo and uyambona ukuthi usawumfana omncane lo so uma athi umsupport mhlawumbe usho ukukhuthala kwakhe kungafika kwenye level because we need abantu abamnyama ama-billionaire at the end of the day
showcase my brother
that's why nathi simotivateka kuwena
yeah, but it's a great pleasure. But ngobusho nje bafethu ukuthi it all comes with the hard work mfethu. So vethu kumele sinaso sonke isikhathi sizama ukuphokophela ukuya phambili.
Naso sonke isikhathi. Akukho lula. Akukho lula.
Sure. Yeah. So basically right now mfethu your skits mfethu umphathi wezindaba mfethu is doing major rounds mfethu. So I just want to check on something. Like the performance is amazing and mfethu it's crazy just watching it It's yenzeka. So talking about our performances, do you guys get booked to perform the music that you make? Ama-skits nike nifike kwi-level yokuthi I know siyoperforma umphathi wezindaba.
Yeah, umphathi wendawo siyabukho sami zoperforma umphathi wendawo u-right kuma-performance uyaperformeka but amanye ama-skits ayinkinga ngenxa yokuthi akhuluma kakhulu nabantu abaningi abazwani nokulalela emdansweni bafuna ukudansa yabona nje so amanye ama-skits alimaza lapha that's why ubona ukuthi sinazi ingoma sinawo ama-skits futhi yabo abantu bangayitsheli ukuthi senza ama-skits kuphela kuna nengoma le-street music yabo so siyabhalansisa kuma-performance akwazi ukuthi kuma-performance ithi ngoma kwayisithi ma-skits lawa abantu abawathandayo yabona because ngeke sizisemdansweni thina sibhizi sonixoxela iy'ndaba one yabo injalo
and enye into kokubhukwa asikakabhukwa ngale ndlela ebesifisa ngayo enda nje lawo
kubalulekile lokho kubalulekile
no but build up I believe everything gets built up along the way but ngiyayithanda ukuthi lokho akuyi-influence i-attitude eninayo towards ispaniseni you're always making sure ukuthi you deliver what people are expecting out of you because the consistency is key
number one
so nirelease bafethu kwinyanga yothando fethu i-project amabhakede othando it's a very nice Durban sound music so can you just take me through the creation of the project?
Uqala nje igama sithi amabhakede othando sizama ukubuyisela uthando kubantu abasinikeza lona like seliqala futhi lasijabulisa lasimangaza yabo so ingoma yothando vele sikhipha ingoma ephathelene nothando futhi sikhiphe ngonyanga yothando which is February sifuna nje ukuthi abantu bethandana angisize
bethi ingoma mfethu ezintathu right futhi sifuna ukuthi sikhiphe into eningi yabo abantu baze baforeke ingoma nje ezu-3 sisebenzile nabafethu ngoba siyabambisana zipholile ezothando nje akuzona ezomdanso yabo kodwa nje mawukuthi nawe mhlawumbe uyayikhuzela uyidedele kamnandi nje mfethu yabo injalo ngoba phela thina mfethu senza music yabo ukuthi angifuni ukuthi umuntu ajele ukuthi labafana laba bafana abenza ama-skits labafana benza thina senza into emnandi nje
ngoba khona la kumabhakede othando ikhona ingoma eyipiano igama layo ibizwa ngokuthi ama-games
sure no but it's so wonderful that and ngoba usho nje I listen to it before it's so soothing so nami ngagcina phela sengithi ngiyimama imidlala ngithi mama so people do go and check out amabhakede othando. It's out on all streaming platforms. Talking about streaming platforms in fact we live in a time whereby mfethu ukufinyelela mfethu has been the easiest thing to do as an artist. There's a lot of platforms and nina ke as abangani bethu, how do you guys work regarding distribution and nje mfethu is there a label behind maybe if you don't know because right now mfethu we are coming up as ama youngins, the youth yabo. So amunye kuthola ukuthi they don't know how to get their music on Apple Music, on Spotify. So how is that handled, that business side of music?
Thina izinto ekanjalo uma ukuthi mhlambe umuntu mhlambe ufuna ukwazi noma mhlambe ufuna usizo yabo kulabantu laba engathini esondelene nabo noma mhlambe abafisayo ukwazi bangasithinta umuntu simsize mfethu yabo akukuthi umuntu thina sithi sidla sodwa noma sithi sifuna ukuzenzela into yethu thina siyasizana bese siyacathulizana lapho nalapho yabo so kuba njalo nje mfethu
but there's no record label sayithina nje sizwa uDistroKid lapha abafethu kumele bazi nje yabo ukuthi vele uyi-artist kumele uyiregister nawe as an artist icace mhla eSouth Africa ukuthi hayi nawe uyi-artist lase-South Africa yabo musu-register you get that code ozoyithola. But then uma usufuna uregister music wakho ukusubmit bakhona uDistroKid maningi lama-lokhuzana. But into elula nje ukuchecka ku-YouTube bafethu uzokusiza. Ayikho into engekho noma ukuthi ufuna usizo ungasithinta nathi ukuregister but music wethu nje uyatholakala ku Spotify submithile which is encourage ama-artist amaningi because ziningi ingoma ezimnandi ukuthola umuntu bengamenzela kangcono but information akanayo umuntu yabo ukuthi ngenza kanjani. But nje bakhona uDistroKid uyawukhokhela kodwa uma uya ku-YouTube nje ungathola more information.
No, but for Petty yona into nami bengifisa si-extend yabona because I remember Petty ukuthi like Petty italent elikhona lokushini yabo likhona lokushini but ungazi kufana
so
i-advantage ukuthi you guys are doing it so nabanye bangakwenza kanjalo. Speaking of the industry, the music industry Petty, there were times whereby Petty I was so stressed and so saddened by Petty that I saw on social media Petty. How has the industry received you guys, talking about the people who have been in the game for years? How was the reception, and are the cases mhlambe sekenabhekana nawo mhlambe ayengafika ezinto engathi ayengithena umoya but enafunda nakhula ngayo sekwenzeka kwengaba
thina bethu kubenzima kakhulu bafu yo angifuni uqamba amanga kubenzima kakhulu bethu thina bethu besihamba ngestimela bethu masiya kuma performance shaya opotsha ngisho ukuthi inde right kodwa bethu kushaya opotsha bethu istimeleni sibalela ama security kodwa singenayo imali hayi ngoba nathi singathanda sasingenayo imali bethu ukuthi yabo sikhokhe sikwazi but bethu ukwazi ukuthi uye usimoya kwi-event bethu mhlawumbe uzongena ngo-10 mhlawumbe uyimlazi bethu uzoshaya istimela shaya ama-tax phambili uhlanganise ufike khona bethu ngo-5 noma ufike ngo-4 ntambama uzongena nini stage uzongena ngo-10 yayibo lonto awunamali uhlale madoda uhlale bethu ayikho into ozoyenza hlale ushawa amakhaza uyozugoduke ngakusasa ngo-5 yangitshela yayibona nje and bethu abantu bethu aba-on bethu ukuthi impethu mozama bethu kuba approach bethu batshela nge-situation yakho ubatshela ukuthi nawe wenza umculo kanje umuntu avela akuthathe otherwise yabona into le kodwa phela mfethu ngisibagxeke yabo umuntu ngomgxeke impethu yabona into le ukhona abantu abathatha because khona abantu I remember ukuthi khona umuntu bethu angazi noma hayi ngeke ngikwazi ukumusho
ke
esathi senza ingoma mfethu yazama ukwenza kahle abamnandi abafana nawo special DJ lapho laphana mfethu liyangoma yasiqala siyenza kahle ababona sibeqala ukurecognize ukuthi akhona lezi intwana lezi yayibona nto le qamuka mfethu negama eliphezulu mfethu ophuma enkampanini ethile wenza ubhokolo mfethu wathatha ingoma wayenza ngendlela yakhe
wathatha ingoma eChinese house
wayenza ngeyakhe mfethu engoma yethu yafa kanjalo yabona mfethu masunegama mfethu elikhulu yabo masusebenzile khona abanye abantu abakuthatha lokho ezini ukuthi usungaba right ukuthi uvela ube yibhuli nje mfethu ubhulisha amanye ama-artist amancane angijayezwa lokho so mfethu nalomjisa lo wenza njalo yabo wasibhulisha nje mfethu yabona into le wenza ubhokolo wathatha ingoma yethu mfethu yabo wayenza ngendlela yakhe salimala kanjalo yabo salimala mfethu and ayikho futhi into esingayicomplain sasicomplaina ngazayikhathi but manje sengiyabona ukuthi vele yabo
izinto ezenza
kwakudaliwe mfethu kwangakabi isikhathi sethu
kodwa mina one thing engayifunda esengiyifunda manje ukuthi kwakumele sishaye ihlombe sihleke yabo because lokho kukusho something yabo if umuntu ophezulu kunathi ezokwazi ukuthatha into esesiyenzile thina eyenze yakhe yena. Yeah, phela ngokwebhizinisi ku-wrong kodwa as thina vele kwakumele kusinikeze more directions siqhubeke more
ukuthi ikhona
ikhona there's something
yeah shuthi siyabonakala sesiyabela yeah kodwa
khona ngalesa sikhathi
yona iyalimaza liyashadisa
manje
yazi into elimaza kakhulu ukuthi mfethu uzozwa mfethu imsebenzi mfethu owawujulukela udlala endaweni ezithile bese abantu bathi akuyona inishani lesiyeni leyana mase kumele uchazeke manje ukuthi hayi akuyona yalo mfethu lona wayithatha kuthini cha nobani nina kami nayibona into mfethu enjalo.
So leyo nto ngiyacabanga ukuthi iyanifundisa okuningi.
Yeah.
So mhlambe in the industry bakhona yini abanye abantu as a music group engisafisa ukusebenza nabo?
Yeah, bakhona baningi yeah bakhona
kodwa angithi nasibathathu
Sure.
so umuntu nomuntu mfethu ngomuntu amfisa side lakhe yabo.
Just to mention a few bethu wena kethu ubale bethu umuntu osafisa ukuthi ngathi kungasetshenzwa naye ezabangani bethu.
Yabona ngizoqala ngithi RIP Shimora Bashelela. Bayazi abafethu. Sila kuba picture kahle but then umuntu engathanda ukusebenza nayo kwamanje. Khona lo bhuti kuthi uSun L Music mfethu. Yeah, uyena bengifisa nje ukuthi sizwe isandla sakhe kancane. Because music wakhe mfethu
Timeless.
Enoguki. Yabo. Yeah, uyena nje bengisafisa kimi.
On your side main?
Mina ubhuti Shimona mfethu yena mfethu ngangimfisa kabi kodwa ke manje ke ngino Enza.
Sure.
Ngiyakholela ukuthi yabo mangathiwa sitholana nje naye nje
khona into angayikhiphi.
Mfowethu Enza ubani umunye
Because that's learning issues on the last video that you posted, part 2, wow, part I saw a comment your skills.
Kodwa siyathemba mhlambe kuzokwenzeka asithembe ukuthi kuzokwenzeka
basi kodwa nje other than this singasebenza nawo wonke umuntu ophethe usasebenza nawo.
So abantu banganithinta kanjani? Is there an email or they can just go on the page if they want to collaborate?
Yeah, easy nje mfethu uthi angahamba epage-ini izinto zonke uzoyithola khona.
Yeah, usithola lapha kubangani bethu.
Yeah, thina sihlezi active ke mfethu page.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ayingeni comment ikuyiphendule kusasa.
Same time. Ngoma ndingabheki.
So namhlanje mfethu sesiqala nganiphuthuma yabo lo. Ngayo umakhelane umphathi wezindaba yabo lo. So you're going to just perform that. Inspiration yayo ke. Can you just take me towards ngoba ngibuza ukuthi is it something engathi into obazi ukuthi lo mama yayibona la mjita aphume lo rap lo mjita no yabo into kanjalo. I want you to take me to it before we wrap on verse. Just take me to it sisize ukuthi ihamba kanjani baba.
Mfethu umphathi wendaba mfethu ngoba besishilo ukuthi izinto nje mfethu yabo izinto esizibona daily elokishini izinto esizibona daily mfethu elokishini izinto ezenzakala nanokuthi mfethu umphathi wendaba uqhamuka ekutheni khona mfethu lo muntu lona mfethu elokishini lo owazi yonke into ungazi ukuthi yafika njani yabo and leyo abantu lokushini sebeyamanzi bemjwayele yabona hey we lo
uyiqaqela
nje nezinto ezingekho mfethu yabona abantu into enjalo
abanye bathengela u-2
becela enjalo two calls
enjalo
sala ngoma sayicabangisa ukubona izinto esizibona everyday lokushini ezenzakalayo eyikhona.
Sure. So Petu, I bet it's a great creativity on its best in Petu. I don't wanna lie to you about Petu, creativity at its best. Yeah, Petu, engathi ngalokho ekuhlala ekuqhubekile kukuhle bethu ngale ndlela enenza ngayo.
Isandla idlula ikhanda mfowethu.
Noma ngithusa lo mjida phela ngithi ngiyifikele lokushini phela hawo. Ngifikela kuye la ngizomxoxela ngawo bonke ngitshela ngomama bathakathayo. Ubaba walapha lo la Divitse hostel hey takujida.
Sure, no, i-blind yambadla and ayikho into i-blind into different. As a creative, if I may just share my advice, always do something that no one is doing. And again, the only way to do something that no one is doing is to be in the job. Because over the years when I started it was my first passion, not my first passion, but it was like my first offering in the business, like journey that I started. So wonke ama-ideas ebengiwathola, I don't go to mhlambe ngihlale a coffee shop mase ngiyacabanga. All ideas afika ngithi yabo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngobusho nje phethu ngoba ngisho ukuthi it's all about ucabanga izinto ezihlukile. So ucabanga kanjani izinto ezihlukile? By spending time in the job. If you are too invested, uzogcina ubona ukuthi hayi le ndlela engenza ngayo ngathi sijwayelekile. What can be different? So nje mfethu, that I really advise ukuthi mfethu always be at the job mfethu ungaleki. Yabo London mfethu, make sure ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi mfethu mfethu uhlezi uba creative. So what's next mfethu? Are we gonna see like a music video? As in, like, are you gonna be submitting to channels to just distribute your videos? Is there another project? Is it an album? Yeah, but we spoke about the features, the standards I go to from this conversation. So what's next to for Abang Bet?
Sawudedela amasingini nje manje. Siqhubana amaskithi ama music video manje besingakayitshela ukuthi sazowasho but azofika ekhambeni wesikhathi ukuthi bese sifisa ukuthi afike sesazi ukuthi yabo khona ingoma ethile mbethe nabantu abane power more than mina yabona ndlela ukuthi abantu bezoyireceive mhlambe ngendlela eright lezo ngoma ukuthi zingenzi inamba ezincane yabo. Because mpethu akusiza ukuthi sijaha ukuthi sishuthele abantu yabo sinikeza abantu music abangeke bawuthande futhi.
But sazoqhubeka nezikhetho manje enye into esifuna ukufocus kuyona more ama-feature ukusebenzisana nabanye abafowethu njengoba sesiqalile nje ngama beats yabo saposta saqala nezikhetho ukuthi wonke umuntu akaphuzana ama-beats akhe ku-Facebook kwi-page lethu.
So ama-beats
ayangena ama-beats angene. Shout out to uBash lona first yena usipha ama-beats amnandi nje so far. Ama-feature nje futhi nabantu abangaphezulu because manje into esifuna ukuthi sifuna ukusebenzisana nabantu abasebenzayo nabo. Singenzi ingoma kanti ingoma uyibeka ku-drop umuntu eyihlalise eshalofini lapha. So sifuna ukusebenza nabantu nabo abakhuthele yabo abawazi ukusebenzisa social media yabo hayi umuntu onqenayo. But ukhuluma ngejob nje sifuna nomuntu ngokwijob.
Senzani umuntu osebenzayo.
No mfethu uthanda bafethu nithathe nayibeka kwi-map. Siyakubonga lokho mfethu. Enithe ukeke liyaziqhenya mfethu ngomsebenzi wenu. Ningakhathali boloka. Siyazi ukuthi nikwi-industry engekho lula kakhulu. Yabo lona ngoba inama pioneers. Yabo lona talk about mfethu gatekeeping izinto ezikanjalo. May those things invest in the name of the Lord Jesus. Zinganiphazamisa.
We receive.
Uyazi mfethu ukuthi silandela vele mfethu emva wakho.
No, silandela
now you started the journey umncane till manje yabo. uNkulunkulu aqhubeke nje bese abusisa vele isikhulu kumfana nesonto asazi ke manje ngoba phela
No, but I don't lie. I think this is the best way to just say it. It's so beautiful and it's a blessing mfethu ukuthi mfethu ngobusho nje ukuthi ngikhula nomfana wesonto kakhulu and I won't lie mfethu it shaped me, it gave me mfethu i-ground esimangaliso. So indlela mfethu khona umhlabelelo wasewesile othi oluhambo lunengozi oluhambo lunentshaba kodwa zonke lezo zinto zithunywe nguwe Nkosi so I don't lie mfethu I'm devoted to the gospel mfethu I'm in a phase whereby mfethu I give thanks and I really appreciate I'm so channeled to his teachings and his words uNkulunkulu ngizizwa mfethu ngiyegaine okuningi ngomusa wakhe mfethu because endleleni as abafana abakhulayo we make mistakes so uNkulunkulu umusa ngenzele wona mfethu ngihlezi ngimbongo and I do it publicly because naye masengibusisa ubile zonke so nje mfethu I cannot do nothing yabonga ngaphandle kwakhe and it is indeed true when Paul said I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So mfethu lelo lizwi mfethu liza as a reminder and as inkuthazo ukuthi lolu hambo mfethu lo lenkolo lokuhlala kuyo Jehova mfethu yilona ezosithatha lisivikele ngoba phela asimkhonzeli ukuthi asibusise yabo simkhonzela ukuthi yena mkhulu kavele akudinga ukuthi azasenze lokuthile ukuze sibone ukuthi ighost bakhe bungakanani no mfethu uBragoni is ighost
nawe ighost mase usenzelile mfethu yabo sesingaba event nami ngafona ukuthi ithina la
mfethu ayikho into ejabulisa mfethu njengokuthi uzazi mfethu wena uzazi awukakabi lento ofuna ukuba yiyona ubu recognize mfethu abantu mfethu abakhulu nje yabo mfethu yona mfethu into esangijabulisa manje ngabona ukuthi hayi shuthi uyasebenza ngempela mfethu umdali yabo mfethu yabo ukurecognize mfethu umuntu mfethu omkhulu okade wafika egaming ungayitsheli eze kuwena mfethu athi Twana right ngiyayibona mfethu niyasebenza lokho mfethu kodukisa mfethu uphindela kini uhamba ngesmile esighost
just for inspiration because ayikho into ejabulisa njengokuthi sibone mfethu ukuthi ekseni usibani ukhula nje like just to mention a few if you don't mind bakho obani abantu abase abawi industry that have shown you uthando yabona ukuze bezogqugquzeleka ukuthi no intwana shithi ngiyal appreciate lo uthando sininika lona
singabala sini nje uDJ Mngani Music Holics Sparks Bantwana Emza mfethu bonke baningi almost ithekulonke bese masifika kuma event ngiyakhumbula nje ukuqala leza kuthina bezoshithe senze ho perform sashokeka zathi ayibo bebesho kuthina yabo ngosina sitana zasehotsalo besicela usizo kulabantu bengasilaleli but then manje sebekwazi ukuzositshela ukuthi seniyongena estage manje yabo sebefuna ukuzosebenza nathi so
baqhubeke futhi mfethu lokho abakwenzayo noma kungelutho akusho ukuthi umuntu uma umsupport amele uzumnika imali noma kumele wenzeni yabo mfethu thina sikhule sibuka bona ba amabhuda amadala egaming sikhule sibuka bona so mfethu ukuza kuthina nje mfethu ukuza noma ngathiwa yiphi intwana eyenza music moya kuyona nje mfethu uyitshengisa
ukuthi
siyakubona ntwana umsebenzi wakho omuhle ayabo lapha intwana ngezile umoya lapha intwana
it goes a long way ingakho ukuthi mfethu asikubeke ukuthi ibrazu bani wenza ukuthi mfethu kuze nathi mfethu esisakhule senza music sigqugquzeleke mfethu no Majida mfethu it's been a great pleasure and to just unpack your story ngibonge for the opportunity mfethu ukuthi mfethu yiminyane bafethu nangihlonipha mfethu nanginika leli thuba. I really appreciate it and izandla zidlula ikhanda mfethu ngoba sengifisile nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu engathi angalokho ekhanyisile angisekela nibusise endleleni yenu kuthi kukho konke mfethu engikuhlelayo nesenikwenzile engakaphumi kubantu engathi kungabe impumelelo
bafethu. Yazi impela nothi baba singalahlani mfowethu. Ayibambisane nje kanje. Hayi balona naso.
So sizoshaya amabhakede othando right now. Hayi uhlisi amabhakede umphatheni. Ukuthi mabhekede umuntu onothando. Umuntu onothando. So shaya umphatheni ndaba mfethu sesingintroduceile mfethu. Asiqedeke le ndoda ukuze phela bethi manje bethi ibonakala ukuthi hayi yona yafike uthanda uyatshena ngomphathi wendaba but yatshena nangosilapha.
Yabona
Sure.
correct.
I know it's a rap.
Thank you.